Let's learn how to play games on TikTok. TikTok recently added a new feature which allows users to play games on TikTok without downloading any games on your phone. Their Games is a trending games, and they always add new games to their app, which allows users better experience with using TikTok. So let's start. First, you need to make sure you have latest version of TikTok. If you don't have it, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and go to search for TikTok. After you search for it, if on this button is written Update, click on it and wait a couple of minutes for downloading update and open TikTok app. Now when you come to the TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account where you want to play games. Then go to click on little magnifying glass icon in top right corner of the screen. This is not the basic TikTok feature for playing games. This is a website of TikTok user who posted a link of his website where is over 60 million games you can play without downloading any game, and basically that is how you can play games on TikTok. Next on search bar, type pokey_games and search for it. Now TikTok shows you videos of that search, but you need to click on users on bar in top of the screen, and click on this first user TikTok shows to you. You can see all videos of this user, but for our purposes it doesn't matter. So for us is matter that links in this user biography, his share, and go to click on it. Then TikTok opens you another menu where is a two type of link this user posts. The second link is for YouTube channel of this user, and first link is that link which we need for getting games, so open that link. That link sent you to his website where is all free games, and just to play any games you want, you need to click on it and then enjoy with fun experiences. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.